Hello, welcome to KJ Numerical channel. Today we are going to study something about derivatives. Now, what is derivative? Derivative is a part of calculus. I'm going to upload the videos of function and limits, but now why I'm uploading derivatives, because for the second sem integration is there. So students should be aware about derivatives, because derivative is required to be studied thoroughly so as to understand integration. Now for second semester, nowadays they have kept integration for mathematics, and after integration it is definite integration and differential equation. But before that, I would like to revise what is derivative. So in this video we are going to study something about derivatives. Now before understanding derivative, let's understand what is the function of x. If y is a function of x, then it is written as y equals to f of x. Now y is a dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So when x changes to x plus h, then y will change to what? F of x plus h. तो जो चेंज इन y है, that is delta y, it will be what? F of x plus h minus f of x, and x में जो change होगा, that will be what? Delta x is equal to x plus h minus x. So this is change in y and this is what? Change in x. Now if I divide change in y upon change in x, it will be what? F of x plus h minus f of x, and here it will be x plus x minus x gets cancelled, and finally we get delta y is what? F of x plus h minus f of x. Now suppose I apply a limit to this, then limit delta x tends to 0, delta y upon delta x is what? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This is what? Change in y upon change in x, and this is the derivative y first principle. All the formulas of derivatives are derived from this principle. This is first principle. Derivative y what? First principle. Now we will see something about x. Now what is the derivative of x? How we can derive from this derivative by first principle? So y is equal to f of x is equal to x, then naturally if x is replaced by x plus h, it will be x plus h. So if I apply the formula of derivative by first principle, dy by dx will be limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x, x plus h minus x, x will get cancelled, and then I will get h upon h. If I cancel h upon h, then it will be what? 1. So if y is x, then the derivative of x is what? 1. So this is our first formula. Okay, dy by dx is what? 1. If y is x, then dy by dx is 1. Now similarly, if I take f of x as what? K, then f of x plus h will be what? K. Now it is a constant, there is no x term here, so naturally what will happen? There is no change here, so k minus k आएगा यहाँ पे, and k minus k is what? 0. 0 divided by h will be what? 0. Therefore the derivative of a constant is always what? 0. Be it 1000, 1 lakh, कुछ भी रहने दो, 1 crore value रहने दो, always the derivative of a constant term will be always and always what? 0. So remember, derivative of a constant is always 0.